Hello class, today is Monday, May 18th, 2020, and the code for this week is I'm empathic when I understand before being understood. So pay attention. Today we're going to make a review, okay? So, we're going to practice the farm animals, so you are going to say the animals that you see, okay? Say them aloud so you can practice your pronunciation. Well done. Now you're going to tell me the adjectives that you see, okay? Now we are going to practice some comparative sentences. Okay, so let's begin here. For example, you are going to say, the rabbit is faster than the turtle. Or the other way, the turtle is slower than the rabbit. Okay, now continue with this. You can say he is taller than he, or this boy is shorter than this boy. For example, in my case, Miss Raquel, chocolate ice cream is more delicious than strawberry ice cream. And for example, this man is older than the kids, or the kids are younger than the man. And finally, pay attention here. We are going to practice the conjunction and. So, we use the word and to join two sentences with similar ideas. Vamos a usar la palabra and para conectar dos oraciones con ideas similares. For example, I like chocolate ice cream. My brother likes strawberry ice cream. These sentences have similar ideas, so we are going to connect them, and the complete sentence would be I like chocolate ice cream and my brother likes strawberry ice cream. Now, open your class book in page 101 and you are going to write the short date here. So, do you remember that the last lesson we read a story about some kids going to a trip? Okay, now these are the kids in the trip, okay? So this man is Mr. James and he's going to describe what are the kids doing, and he's also going to describe the animals, okay? How the animals are feeling. So you have to write the correct number. Pay attention.
Listening 143. Listen and read.
I'm Mr. James. I'm the farmer here at Apple Farm.
1,
You can feed these ducks. They're hungry now. This is their food.
2,
It's all done.
This horse is very nervous. Don't go near it. It's scared of children.
Which one?
3,
These cows are very thirsty. Please give them some water.
4,
You can touch this goat. It's very friendly. Its name is George. It likes children.
5,
The sheep are very hot now. You can watch me cut the wool.
6,
Are you scared of the dog? Don't worry. This dog is very friendly.
Now we are going to go to exercise number 2. We are going to practice speaking. So let's watch the video, okay?
Don't open the gate. Eat your lunch here.
Now you're going to look at the pictures on the top, and you are going to say, for example, it's nervous. What is it? It's the horse. It's number 2. Now let's go to exercise number 3. You have to write "and" to connect the sentences. For example, this is a cow, this is a goat, and you connect these sentences. This is a cow and this is a goat. So continue with number 1, 2, and 3. Now when you finish, close your class book. Open your workbook in page 101 and remember to write here the short date. So let's go to exercise number 1. The instructions say, circle and then write 2 sentences for each sentence. En el ejercicio pasado tú tenías que conectar 2 oraciones. Ahora las vas a separar. Pay attention. Number 1. Harry is 7 and Katie is 9. So you are going to take out and write Harry is 7, full stops. Katie is 9, full stops. And then you have 2 sentences. So continue with number 3, 2, 3, and 4. Now in exercise number 2, first think about a visit to the farm, okay? And now here you're going to read the animals aloud and you are going to circle the animals you can see at a farm. And then here you are going to illustrate about a farm visit. And then you are going to write the animals that you can see, and then in negative, the animals that you can't see at a farm. For example, at a farm, I can see a goat. And for example, another example in negative sentence would be, I can see a polar bear at the farm. And then you continue. When you finish, close your workbook, and now it's time to work on your worksheet. So here, remember, it's not necessary to print the exercise. No es necesario que lo imprimas. También lo puedes copiar. So you are going to read the sentences and underline, subrayar, underline the correct answer. And finally, it's going to be family time, okay? You're going to practice your speaking. So you're going to talk about a trip you have had with your family, and you are going to say, where did you go? What were the rules for the trip? What was your favorite part on the trip? Vas a hablar acerca de un viaje o un paseo que hayas tenido con tu familia y vas a decir a dónde fuiste, cuáles eran las reglas para el viaje y cuál fue tu parte favorita del viaje. Eso lo vas a decir hablando, ¿ok? And when you finish, remember to sing and dance the goodbye song. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.